Alright, here we are back, Boys with Toys, and Josh has what?
Lego Technic record breaker.
Ooh, record breaker. It looks like a fast one, or it would be in real life. Maybe it is in real life, actual life, or Lego life, I don't know.
It's 125 pieces, and it can combine with
the other one to create this. This thing?
Create
those two together make
off-roader.
The extreme off-roader, which you'll probably do as well, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's unbox. Whoa, good catch. Don't mind the background loudies. They don't know how to talk quietly. No respect for the video, no respect.
There is the other wheel right there, the rubber right there.
Oh, that goes right on the...
Nope, it goes on this. This one goes on. This one goes on this.
Oh, cool. Oh, because
So
it's the skinny
different.
wheels in front. Engine wheels in the back. Boom. Alright, and this one has how many pieces? Oh, you already said.
125.
125. Which one do you think will be harder?
The other.
The quad bike?
Yeah. Looks
Awesome.
more packed and more pieces. This one's just long and easier spread out. Less things connect.
Less pieces to connect? Alright, sign off. Don't forget to like and subscribe.